Welcome to our full tutorial on using the Tricount app. Great for splitting bills with friends and family. First, let's download the Tricount app from your app store and set it up easily in just a few taps. Now, let's create a new Tricount for your group or event. Just hit Create and follow the prompts. Adding your friends or family is simple. Just enter their names and share the link. Next, let's record some expenses and categorize them for clarity. It's quick and understandable. Tricount does all the math for you. Let's see how it calculates who owes what based on inputs. You can easily manage and view the split details anytime. Everything is transparent and organized. Tricount is perfect for various scenarios like trips, dinners, or just any shared expense. Explore additional features like currency conversion and data exporting for convenience. Thank you for watching. If you need more resources or support, check the links in the description.